What up? What is up? All right. Okay, if I accidentally smashed one of my knocked over one of my computer screens. So I've only got one screen. I can't see myself, so I'm just trusting that everything's working. Yeah, I guess I just got to trust that everything is working over here. Hustle and 10, thank you, brother. Glad to be here. All right, let's have a look over here. If something's not on the screen or it looks dodgy, can you guys let me know? Because yeah, I genuinely can't see. I can only see myself over. I can only see the screen. Usually I can see like the layout, but what up, Dillawa? What up, John? Thanks. Good to see you guys here. All right, so I've just done a real quick mark out here. Hey, Yasmi, good to see you. I'm good, thank you. I'm gonna do a real quick top down over here. Daily. Looks like we're working our way back up a little bit over here. 4 hourly. Kind of actually kind of called this yesterday. It looked like it was going to start working its way up. Oh, what's up, Chris? Good to see you, brother. Strong previous 4 hour candle. Okay, you're on Bitcoin. How long's this 4 hour got? 2 hours still. Bit of 1 hour support here. 30-minute. Yeah, I think my zones that I've got marked out here are pretty relevant for a breakout. I think I've got some pretty good zones here. Everything is perfect. Ah, amazing. Thank you for letting me know that, bro. Hey, you guys on TikTok, I can't see myself or the screen or anything. I'm just trusting that everything's working over there. So if it looks sketchy, just let me know. Oh, thank you for the gifts there, Chris. You're a G. But yeah, just looking at some sort of breakout over here, you guys. Pretty textbook. Seb, I can't read your language, brother. Sorry, my dude. Everything looks good? Okay, dope. Thanks for letting me know that. Everything looks in order. Amazing. Awesome. Thank you. Yeah, like literally just... Because I have two computer screens, right? One above each other. And as I came in to like set the stream up, I tripped over my light cord and smashed one of the screens completely. And I was like, oh, just before the stream. And I was like, ah, man, I got to make it work. Yeah, from Asia, uptrend. Yeah, my day was pretty good, Dillawa, actually. Thank you. Just a lot of just like my day job stuff. I was on the road a lot. But yeah, it was a good day. How'd you go today? Taking any trades? Taking any trades today? I'm going to be back on my 100K account today. I freaking found out through the prop firm that I got funded with that when you're funded, they lower the leverage amount a lot. Oh, it's actually a stitch up. So I can only do on a 25K account, on gold, I can only do a 0.40 lot trade. And the thing is, you have to have 3 profitable days before you can get a withdrawal. But the profitable day has to be $150 plus. And if I typically get 15 pips per trade, but can only use a 0.40 lot, that would equate to like $90. So it's just like, oh man, I knew it just was it was too good to be true. So I don't know what I'm going to do there. So until I figure it out, I'm just going to punch out my 100K account. Oh, you just jumped on the charts now. Was busy for you too. Yeah, fair enough. Sweet. So might need to act relatively quick here. Like we've got a pretty small zone here, and I've got pretty clear what I'm looking for. Breakout of either way. Yeah, bro, 0.40 is the max lot. And it's just, I said to him, because I was speaking through him with email, I said, you do realize that scalpers get like I only typically get 15 pips. Like that's How am I going to have 3 consistently profitable days over $150 if... Yeah, it's a shit show. So I don't know what I'm going to do. Have you entered a buy? No, I'm just waiting over here, waiting for a breakout, a closure of either side. 2 trades per day for 3 days should do it. Yeah, but in terms of probabilities and statistics, like, I'm not going to get 2 profitable days consistently for 3 days. Like, you're going to have a loss here and there. Like, it's going to be up and down. And I typically will only get 1 clean trade a day. Yeah, it's very unfortunate. It's very unfortunate. It would be okay if it was me just trading, but because I have to hit a specific amount in order to even get a withdrawal for 3 days. Yeah, they know what they're doing, that's for sure. So I've got 8 minutes over here for this 15. This is the first 15 of the... Oh, good morning, Energy. Good to see you, brother. Someone copied your username and messaged... Yeah, I was going to say that to you guys in the Discord. A couple of people have sent me... Someone's like completely copied my profile pic and it's a fake Discord person. Yeah, be careful there, you guys. Sorry about that. If you can, report that account. Oh, you're from Morocco there, hustler. Nice. So let's just do another real quick scan through here. The 4-hour clean range to the left-hand side over here, you guys. Got a bit of 1-hour support. You know, you would think... let me open up Zoom over here. 15-minute order block. I'm not sure, bro. I don't do any of that. There's price action. Because you would think this kind of range that got pushed through today at some point might need to be filled. Oh, morning, Corsicus. Good morning to you. 30-minute. No, opening range. Opening range what, brother? Brother or sister? Just gonna open up Zoom so I can do a bit of drawing here. But yeah, what I was going to say is, yeah, you would think a lot of this range might need to be filled here. But yeah, we'll see what happens, I guess. Daniel, what's your favorite song? I got a couple, but I'm not sure. Nothing really. Nothing special. Morning, Shelley. Oh, you want that to fill as well? Yeah. But yeah, at the end of the day, I think it's pretty relevant over here. Got a couple of areas marked out, waiting for some sort of breakout. Marius, what up, my G? What up? And we'll see what happens. Raphael, what up? Have a good trading day to you too, my friend. See if an opportunity presents itself. The goal today, and probably every day, is just to rock up. I got the playbook in my head of exactly what I'm looking for. If those candles print, then I execute. It's pretty simple. Pretty simple. What are you thinking? I'm thinking exactly that. Just looking for some sort of breakout out of these zones. If I get a candle that closes below or above, I'll based on some other things that might happen around that time, I'll look at taking a buy or sell personally. I'm waiting for an opening range breakout. Got the same lines drawn up, but on the 1 minute time frame. Okay, interesting. Yeah, fair enough. Cool. Yeah, I think this is probably the most relevant support and resistance zone that's closest to us right now. So yeah. Man, TikTok Live is so glitchy. It keeps giving me warning messages. Bye, someone said. So check this out, you guys. It's a pretty small range over here, so let's say this one does push up. It's still got 4 minutes here. Pushes up like this. Next one can wick down. This is just like a very basic textbook breakout. I'll take a buy about there. Very basic stuff over here. Let's have a look at the 30. It could just leave. There's a lot of volume pushing up, and this looks like some sort of nice support for on the 1 hour for a continuation up. You're still in the phase 1 of the 5K. Why are you putting a sad face? That's fine, bro. Just keep chipping away. What you explained helps a lot. Thank you. Oh, thanks, brother. I'm glad that it helps. I'm glad that it helps. Yeah, if you've got any questions, just ask, and I'll do my best to try to explain some stuff over here, or at least what I'm looking at and thinking. What time frame are you looking at? It should be on the screen there, brother. Yeah, never mind. Do you trade every day? Yeah, I'm live here every day, bro. So if you guys aren't following, drop a follow. I'll be live every single day. Just trading gold in the London session. So I'll be here every day during the gold in the London session. Thank you for the follow there on TikTok, Owen and Robert. Gang, gang. Awesome in capitals. Tap, tap for him. Tap, 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 tap. Tap gang. Tap dancers. Yeah, so I've got some zones here. I've got 3 minutes before this candle closes. Let's see if it wants to dance around here, what it wants to do. See if... I like having the charts in this kind of position, right? We've kind of got it pinned here. You know, we've kind of got the candles cornered here. And it's like, what way do you want to go, bro? Because I'm going to look at trying to catch onto you from there, over here. You're buying based off what time frame breakout? Ideally the 30, but most likely it'll be a 15-minute breakout. Nothing below the 15-minute candle for me. Nothing below the 15 candle for me. So this is the first 15 of the London session. I'm glad that it didn't break out in this session. I don't like to take the first one out of the new session. Oh, it could still break out 2 minutes. A lot can happen in 2 minutes. Your buys played out yesterday. Love your patience. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Is GDP today, right? Oh, let's have a look. I haven't even looked at news. Oh, wow. Look at this over here. Yeah, we've got unemployment claims tonight at in probably like, 5 hours or something. Cool. I won't be trading then, but good luck to the New York Cats. Rose shared your live. Thank you, Rose. Thank you, and thank you with all those 4 love hearts in your username as well. South Africa. Oh, nice, nice. Very nice. So it's a little bit of a wiki zone here. Wick City. What's the 30 looking like? 1 hour. And it's still the first 15 of the 1 hour. The 4 hours still got a fair bit of time. Kato, what up, my dude? What is up? I much prefer a buy over here. I could even I might even take, if this flips green, I'll look at a buy off a bounce off this zone, but it's got 40 seconds over here. What's your biases? What up, Moddy? I'll tell you in a sec. Let's see how this candle closes here. I don't really want to take a sell following 4 small body red candles, but I will if the next one opens up and wicks all the way up. Or not all the way, if the next one wicks up quite nicely. Maybe, I don't know. I don't like this for sells. But if this flips green, I'll potentially look at a buy. If this were to flip green in 9 seconds, I was going to say I would look at a buy for a bounce back up. 2, 1. So it technically broke out here. The body's a bit bigger. It's a high volume time. Let's have a look. What's the 30 looking like? I would certainly need a decent wick if I were to take a sell here in a minute, like shortly. Ever since I found your life, found it very inspirational. Oh, Kato, I appreciate that, brother. That means a lot, man. Keep rocking up. Let's keep trading together. Let's keep on trading. So this candle's only been open for 30 seconds. Oh, look at that volatility there, flipping it around like that. I very, very, very rarely take whoa. I was going to say a position within the first minute of an opening candle. Love from Kenya, love from Australia. We'll definitely keep rocking up dope, brother. You're a G. Yeah, so look at this. The candles are moving quite aggressively over here. They're flipping around and stuff. So let's just be patient here and not get any FOMO and just be patient over here. Let's be patient over here. I know what I'm looking for. I'm sure you guys have an idea of what you're looking for. And until we see those candles get printed, let's just be patient. Why did I put a zone here? There's I'm deleting this zone first. Why did I put that there? There's no green candle that's been printed yet. There's no green candle printed yet. Unless this candle here closes, then I will move this support zone to there. So let's just leave it there for now, but I don't know why I had that there. There hadn't been an actual support zone formed yet. It was just red. It was all red. So I'm just going to take this away for the time being, and I'll drag it up if this closes green. Filling a 5-minute FVG. Okay. What if this forms a doji candle? And then that's fine. Thanks, bro. You're inspiring me with trading. Oh, thank you, brother. We just keep rocking up every day, my dude. Let's keep rocking up every day. Yeah, if this forms a doji candle, that's fine. If it forms a doji candle but still stays green, then I'll still use that as a support zone. But if it stays red, then there's no support formed yet. Again, just stay patient. I know what I'm looking for, so just wait for that to set up. But if this were to fucking... Let's say something like this happened. Actually, let's just wait a bit. I won't say anything just yet. Yeah, wow, it did some sort of liquidity grab or just rejected off bad and then flipped. Laughter. You say you're trading gold, your chart is on the dollar. No, it's not. It's on gold, my G. This is gold. Yeah, and if this takes off, it's just like, well, what are you going to do? It just kind of fooled everyone, made people think that it's going down, and they're just heavily rejected. It's not like it gave some sort of signal that it's going to shoot up like this. It filled the 5-minute imbalance FVG. I knew someone was going to say something like that. Wait for the 30-minute candle now? Yeah, I was going to wait for this closure anyway. So yeah, let's just see what happens over here. But I thought this could happen, like, because it created a nice bit of 1 hour support there. I was thinking if it breaks past that, it should be able to keep flying. But yeah, wait for this. The next 15 closure will also be a 30 closure. And again, if it breaks out up here, as long as it doesn't break out too far up, can still look at that bias above. What kind of setups do you get into? Just breakouts and bounces off key zones and things like that. Keep hitting them likes, peeps. Yes, please, peeps. I'm nearly at 10k already. This shit's wild. Yeah, just besides continuations, yeah, just breakouts and like bounces off zones like this. Like I was gonna look at taking a buy off a zone like this, but that candle printed red. If it printed small body green, I would look at taking a buy. But yeah, let's just be careful over here. A lot of people are getting burnt right now in buys and sells, and they took a sell there, and then they took a buy when it broke up here, and now they're just, you know, let's just be patient, wait for a candle closure to get a clear confirmation over here. How do you find your zones? I work my way down, then I finish on the 15-minute time frame, and when I get a green and red candle printed next to each other, like this, at the highest point that's closest to me, that's my resistance, and at the lowest point that's closest to me, that's my support. I don't put the level right at the candle closure, and I don't put it at the wick either. I put it just kind of somewhere closer to the closure zone. You kind of use intuition, but it just, you kind of get the idea of like where that zone is ish, and it's not a price point, it's a zone. It's like this kind of whole region here. Will you wait for support to form above for an impulse buy? No. I'll wait. My idea, I wouldn't call it an impulse buy. Like if this candle here were to close like this, essentially, I would wait for the next one to wick down and then take a buy right there. That's what I would wait for. But I need a candle to close outside of this zone. This technically isn't support yet because this green candle hasn't actually closed yet. So this should be gone, but I'll just leave it there for now anyway, whatever. Do. Is this the 1 hour, Daniel? No, there should be like, you can see time frame. I've got the time frame on the screen there. Oh, what up, brother? I don't know your name because it's in a different language, but I remember you from yesterday. Always learn something on this live. Amazing trap. Dope. What are you waiting for? I'm waiting for a candle to close outside of one of these zones here, and then I'll pay attention to what forms after that and potentially look for an opportunity. Infinite Soul, what up, man? I haven't seen you in a while. Good morning to you. Hustle10 is my name. Oh, okay. Oh, that's you on the YouTube as well. Okay, dope. Yep, gotcha. Let me just move this because this is going to probably potentially confuse people. Our support zone hasn't been created yet because it's just red. There is a green candle, but it's not closed yet. So I can only consider this a support zone once a candle is actually closed green. An open candle can do anything. Like we just seen it shoot up and down. So it's still got 5 minutes over here before a closure, and this will also be a 30-minute closure. So very interesting over here. You too, my bro, you too. Swept liquidity at the top. Yeah, who knows? People could say the same about the bottom as well. Let's just see what happens there. A lot of movement, yeah. So let's do another real quick little look through here. The 4 hour, cool. I am definitely sus on this kind of naked zone here. The 1 hour. But if we get a buys above, fuck, there's clean range to the left. Very clean range to the left. 30, 15. Yeah, there's not much to say. I would like this candle here to close green, just so I can say I've got a support zone, but we'll see what happens. The 100 EMA is closed in 1 hour. Hopefully some better PA than yesterday. Bro, to be honest, the last 2 weeks it's been hard to catch a decent setup. And like other traders that I know or that I follow that trade similar to me have all found the same thing. You know, it is what it is. I actually don't care. Like I'm just exercising discipline and be like, man, I have a plan. I know what I'm looking for. If it rocks up, it rocks up. I'll take the trade. If it doesn't, cool. I just get to exercise my discipline. Okay, interestingly, yep. Why you change your zone every 5 minutes? No, I didn't. I had this here, but I said it's not a relevant support zone just yet because the candle's still open. It's just red right now. And this candle, the green candle, if it closes green, then I'll use that as my support zone. But right now it's still open. It can still flip red, so it's not a relevant support zone just yet. Mohammed, what up, bruh? Good to have you here. See if we can get something popping off over here, and if not, whatever. Whatever. Oh, TikTok, I'm nearly at 10k views. I don't know about, likes. I don't know about you guys, but my OCD kicks in seeing it at 8.2. You know when you like turn the volume up on your TV and it has to be like a whole number? Just Hype, what up, what up? Really glad I met you, bro. I'm really glad you're here. Moddy, I am really glad you're here. So we've got 2.5 minutes here for this candle closure. Let's see what can happen. I'm not gonna lie, like if this closes small body green, I could look at potentially taking a buy based on a few different things. We'll see what happens. How did you buy gold yesterday? No. By the time I finished stream, I can't even remember. But yeah, I didn't jump back on the charts. I think it just danced around for the rest of the London session. Check Discord, Dan. Okay. Yep. I'll pull up Discord in a minute over here. Dilaw's probably got some analysis over there. If you guys aren't in the Discord, you should try. You should join the Discord there. It's in my bio. It's in my bio over there. We be live. Oh shit. Yep. Is this from? Oh, a couple of you lads have dropped some analysis here. So check this out. There's some good traders in this Discord, you guys. You should join. So Xylio, I don't know how to say your name, bro, but he's pretty spot on with where he pulls out these where he calls these rejection zones. Very interesting. So he's going to take some potential sells over here. Dilawar's got some analysis over here as well. The 4 hour. Okay, so you're anticipating the 4 hour to break up quite high still from here. So all-time highs, I guess. We'll see, I guess. We'll see. So a minute here for this candle. Let's see if it can break out over here. No trade for me yesterday. Yeah, but there's some good traders in the Discord over there, you guys. And we'll be doing a, like a webinar together on Zoom, running the simulator backtesting software together on every Sunday. That's a good opportunity to kind of sharpen up before the new week. Got no idea how Discord works. It's really just like a app, and you can join it. There's different sections, right? It's really just to kind of get together with other traders and just chop it up a little bit. Like you can see over here, we've got the trade charts, analysis, education, people reading books, prop firm challenges, and then down here, things like the clubhouse where we'll get together on a Sunday and just, it's really just like an opportunity to have like a bit of community with other traders. All right, so check this out, guys. We failed to break out here. That was a 30-minute closure. But what I can say is now we officially have a support zone because a green candle is being printed now. Let's go to 15. The support zone is here. So check this out, you guys. See how I was on the 30 just then, and I go, oh, okay, well, the support zone's here. And then I went back to the 15. No, it's not. It's actually here. So that's why you always finish on the 15 to mark your final zone of support. All right. So now we have support and resistance. And I just need a breakout of either of these. Your strategy is very simple, very clean and clear. I like it very much. Yeah, that's the idea, right? Let's just keep it simple and clean. It doesn't need to be rocket science. I don't believe. I don't believe it needs to be rocket science. Oh my god, you guys, I'm so close to 10k likes over here on TikTok. So close. Thank you for the follow there on TikTok, Mazamo and Slashy. Slushy. What's the 1 hour looking like? Cool. Oh, 10k likes on TikTok. Pew, pew, pew. If I had my fancy light thing, do I have it? No. Damn it, that's actually annoying. I really wanted to pump my light. Your strat's very popular on gold. Yeah, just price action. I think it does work very well on gold. Actually, now that you say that, it's interesting. Yeah, I agree. I agree with that. Hey, you guys on TikTok, I'm also on YouTube right now as well, Daniel Holmes Trades, and it's like the proper screen. You can see price points, and it's like, you know, on YouTube you can actually just set your phone up and do whatever, do the freaking dishes or whatever. Instead of TikTok, I feel like you have to be on your phone. Tonight, back-to-back stop loss, bro. Recover step, please. Oh, okay. Well, the only thing you can do, Mohammed, is journal it. You have to journal it and then look. Whilst you're journaling, you're probably going to be like, you know, right, that was blaringly obvious, the reason why I probably shouldn't have taken that trade, and just kind of reflect on it. It hurts. It's not fun. It's not fun, but it's what's the word? Like, it's necessary. And that's all you can do. There's nothing I can say or anyone that can say that's going to make you feel better. You just have to be like, okay, loss is part of the game, but let me figure out why I lost. All right? I think that's probably all you can do there. Are you in it? No, I'm waiting for candle closures outside of the zone. No candles closed outside of the zone yet. No candle. Has closed. I just dropped something in the TikTok chat there. So you guys, I don't know if you can see that TikTok, but yeah, the YouTube one's popping off over here. Do you have a Telegram group? No, Slash. I don't. I think they're spammy, and I don't do signals either. I got a Discord group, so we've got lads in the Discord over here, dropping in some analysis and things like that. The Discord's in my TikTok bio, and if you're on YouTube, it's in the chat, pinned in the chat. Rose, thank you for the follow there, Calvin Hill. Play Pashto song. I don't know what that is. How we join your Discord? In my TikTok bio there, it's a link. Just click Discord and it will say accept invite. Just click accept invite, brother. That is how. So I've got 10 minutes over here for this candle closure. Let's see if we can get some sort of breakout. Are you providing signals in the Discord? No, if you're keen on signals or you want to know how the people trade, I trade live every day, so do it. You can just watch what I do. I don't advise it. I don't trade it with the intent to give signals or to be like, everyone, I'm about to do it, you should too. I'm just like, I just do what I do, and if you decide you want to as well, that's on you. Why are you guys looking for signals anyway? Just go to the casino. Or learn the skill set. Take the time to learn the skill set. I never see you take a trade alive. I know, because I'm particular about what I'm looking for, and if it doesn't show, then I just don't need to take a trade. It's that simple. Always struggle with entries, always too late or too early. Interesting. Well, then you don't know your strategy enough then. You shouldn't be missing trades. Like, you shouldn't be in front of the chart and missing a trade. If it's too early, it's because you're impatient. And if it's too late, it's because you don't know your strategy enough and you just kind of hesitated. Right? It could only be that. Wait, what do you mean by that energy? If you buy, what will your stop loss be? If I buy, it'll be something like this. Look, this candle here will break out like this. Then the next candle will wick down and then shoot up. I will take a buy about there, and I'd put my sell below that current candle wick. If I've got room or range here, I'll put it below the previous candle's wick. But it's definitely going back in this kind of support range. Are you funded, Daniel? Yeah, but I'm not using that account here. I'm using a challenge account. Do you plan to quit your job and go full-time trading? All I'll say is whatever ambition you have, I have the same. That's all I'll say. Yep, that's what I'm waiting for, Erwin. What's your win rate and your strategy, bro? I'm not sure, brother. I'm still tracking data in order to get accurate numbers. It's not too bad, to be honest. The main times I lose is when I do degeneracy. If I stick to my playbook, it's not too bad. And even then, I'm not concerned. Like, I don't mind because I manage risk, so I take sides off if I'm in a losing trade, and I'm able to kind of cut my losses shorter and let my runners run longer. So even if my win-loss is 50-50, I still would be in profit, right? Do you trade currency pairs? Well, just this one, just gold, strength of gold against the US dollar. Oh, Hubu, I haven't seen you in a hot minute. Damn, you've been jumping accounts. Looks like it'll go short. Who knows? What app are you using? TradingView. Are you from the USA? G'day, mate. It's Daniel here from the bloody USA. No, I'm Australian, mate. It's funny, but because I do every now and then, someone will jump in the chat and be like, you never take trades on stream. And I actually heard another streamer talk about this, which is like, you know, there's a level of a relative amount of pressure because people kind of constantly drop that in the chat. But it's like, you guys aren't in the hot seat. You're not doing the trading live and like, and I don't think professional or high level traders would say things like that. Like, you know, people that do relatively well with trading would know it's just, you just have to wait for your setup and that's it. And if it doesn't come, it doesn't come. If I don't get a trade till the end of the year, till next year, then I'll be fine, honestly. Like, because I know my setup will typically arise nearly every day, nearly every London session. But if probabilities aren't in my favor and it just doesn't, then it is what it is. No, there's this. It's not a particular time frame when you sell energy. It's a zone. So if I take a sell here, and I already know that I'm anticipating it to get to the next zone. So check this out. Just say I take a sell here, and I already have it in my mind. If I take a sell here, I'm putting my stop loss above what would be the current candle wick or in this zone. That's where my stop is. And I can see the next support zone is here. So I'm anticipating to take profits there. If it takes 2 minutes, if it takes 10 minutes, it doesn't matter. But I know that's where my level is, right? If I like the way it's moving, I might take 80% of the position here, right? I take 80% off. Now I'm in a risk-free trade. Move stops to break even, risk-free trade, let the runners run. So it's not necessarily a time thing. It's more just like to already have your zones predetermined and then, yeah, do your thing from there. Bro, I've seen you take plenty of trades. What's this chat? Yeah, I know. I've definitely, yeah, I'm with you there, bro. But yeah, the last couple of days I haven't. So people are like, dude, you're a good person, man. There's a lot of traders who go live just to target people's money. I lost a lot. Oh, wow. Wow. Other people don't care about your money, bro. May you get what you want. You raise well. That's it. Thank you, brother. Yeah, there's definitely a lot of dodgy stuff out there, bro. Be careful. Sal, in the YouTube chat, you guys, I'm live on YouTube as well. I trade the way like you, and I don't trust 5-minute candles. But just look at ones looking bed. You said you don't trade the 5-minute candle, but you're telling me to look at it? Yeah, I don't look at the 5 at all, brother. All zones, energy, that's it, brother. That's 100% it. Yep. All zones. All zones. Yeah, I don't actually even click on the 5-minute at all. Because I know if I do, I don't even want to like potentially get like, I don't want the 5-minute to plant any little seeds in my head either. So I won't even flick it. I just flicked it at then. I'm like, it's like burnt my eyes. I love the fact that you do say what you see and what you think about the live market. Very informative. Amazing, Huber. Yeah, yeah, I actually do, I guess. Yeah, I'm just talking out loud what I'm thinking. Yep. And it changes a lot, like as the candles print and form. And it doesn't necessarily need to be right. I'm not right. I'm not a master at this. I'm just the person that is showing up every day and just clicking record. That's all. Oh, thank you for the follow over there on TikTok, Musava. Musava. All right, 2 minutes over here for this candle closure. We're 45 minutes into the London session. Let's see what the new 1 hour is looking like. Cool. Yep, if this breaks out, I'll be interested. Let me bring up Ninja and just make sure everything's... I don't have to dick around if I have to act quick. Make sure I don't have to stuff around if I have to act quick. Let's go to 15. Alright, that's ready. I don't know if I'm going to... Why does it look so different here? It's not that different. So let's say this happens, you guys. Let's say this does break out, this candle. Right, and it forms like this. I can't do... There's two things that I can't do. One, I can't take the trade if it leaves in the first minute of the new candle opening. And two, it needs to wick down first and then flip, and then I can take a buy about there. If that doesn't happen, I don't trade, and that's all good. That's it. That's all good. What industry is your day job? I work for a gas company. I sell industrial gas to companies, essentially. Yeah. I take care of the state for the company. It sounds like a bigger job, like a more important job than like it is important. It's a good job, but like to be like, yeah, I sell gas to the... I take care of gas distribution for the state. It sounds like, oh, this must be hectic, but it's not that hectic. I do love my job though. I'm very grateful to be in the job I am. All right, so check this out. We broke out here. Now what I said, remember, I need a wick down. I need a decent wick down, and then I can put a buy stop up here. Come on, Dan, you're a business development manager. Yeah, exactly. That's what it is, pretty much. That's all it is. Do you recommend FIFO jobs for foreigners? Maybe. Yeah, it's good money. We bring in... Oh, Dillabar, you're BDM as well, are you? Dope. Have you tried Funded Next? Yeah, I have. Yeah, they gave me a free account and all this shit, but they never... I actually got a bad taste in my mouth because they promised to give my community some funded accounts and then they just ghosted me. Although I haven't followed them up in a while, I'll be honest. I could miss this here, to be honest with you guys. I could miss this trade, but it's still so fresh and I want a bigger wick than that. You in, brother? No, just not yet. I need a bit more of a wick here. If it were to flip red again and then push back up, I'll take a buy. Which funded company is best? They're all the same. They're all good. Yeah, I'll be a bit devoed if this does... No, I won't be devoed. Whatever. It is what it is. But, yeah, I kind of wanted a bit more of a bigger wick. But like I said, if this flips red and doesn't even create a much more of a... Alright, now I'm a bit more interested. Let's jump over here. I'll tell you why in a sec. Why does this look so weird here? Am I tripping out? It looks so much different here. Yeah, I've got a buy stop in here. I've got a buy stop, you guys, about there. I've got a buy stop about there. I like that it's had a little crack here and now it's kind of flipping red. Because if it does flip red and then it flips green again, I've just found the probability of it continuing from there is much higher because it's like, it's kind of, you know, it's at least got its beak wet a couple times in those areas. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little confused on where this level is on futures over here. Like I should be triggered in here, but I'm not. It's super weird. Where'd you put your stop loss? I haven't put it in yet, but it'll be just kind of back in the zone down here. Bro, what is going on? How am I not in this trade? Wow. What the fuck? Bro, I should be in crazy profits right now. What is happening? What is going on? Is it just gonna like... Does anyone know what is going on at all? No? Well, I hope some of you guys are in profits. I basically told you what I was looking for. Wow. Dude. Can I refresh or something? Dude, I'm getting my money back. Like, fuck. Hell, these prop firms ripping me off. Why don't you try on your phone? Oh, my God. I guess I'm going to close. Cool. There goes my fucking... Bro, look at this trade, you guys. That would have been beautiful. Oh my God. Maybe from a broker problem. Yeah, they just fucked me so bad, man. That was a wonderful trade. That was a wonderful trade. Look at it. I'd be holding if I was you guys. There's such clean range to the left-hand side, you guys. Oh my god. Gotta hate that stuff, bro. Yeah, you guys seen that in real time, man. That sucks. I'll be closing 80% here if I personally. 85. You guys do whatever you want, but yeah. Like your setup is okay, but you didn't enter. Bro, I tried to flip and enter, and the setup wasn't okay. It was immaculate. Look what just happened. GG's. Throw a W in the chat if anyone caught that. I don't know if anyone actually did catch that. I think I made it pretty clear what I was doing. If some of you guys caught it, that's dope. Oh, look at these W's spamming through over here. A lot of you guys caught that. Wow. Wow, I just made a lot of people money over here. Dude, you guys seen what happened to me there, right? That's unbelievable. Oh, now it goes up. Yay! Already cancelled the order. Didn't want the profits. As soon as he said wick we buy, platform was bugging out. Either hold and hope. Yeah, well, that was the thing. I was thinking, should I hold? But then by the time I hold, it'd probably come back and kill me. You made a lot of people money. Oh, history. What up, my G? Not home today, but place to buy. Stop. Yep, nice. Maybe from the broker. Yeah, that sucks, man. I never entered either. Ah, rats. I told you guys up here I would have taken about 85%, so I don't know what any of you guys done. Rage bait and a half. Yeah, the broker rage baited me hard, man. Wow. Oh well, I'm happy that a lot of you guys just caught a freaking mad trade there. Wow. I'd be stopped out at break even any minute here because I would have taken 85% up there and it's coming back down to that entry point. Pull back and enter again. No. I'll hang out. Honestly, guys, to be 100%, I'll hang out for a little bit here, and if another clear opportunity doesn't arise, I'll call it a day and just be like, look, that was my opportunity, and unfortunately, the broker cooked me there. The broker really cooked me there. Wow. It's super laggy over here. No, it didn't do anything. Didn't do anything. Send them a video. Dilawar, that was exactly what I was thinking. I was like, it's kind of Karen thing to do, but it's like, that would have been a solid of chunk on my like 100k account over there. It happens, mate. Be another setup. Yeah, I'm actually not that Devo to be 100%. The exact clip, yeah, I'm thinking about that, to be honest. Probably because you got multiple platforms open. No, I always have multiple things open when I'm streaming. I got the alien Wi-Fi over here. That's right. I made it pretty clear when I was about to enter. I usually don't. I usually just enter, and it looks like a lot of people caught that trade as well, so it's all good. I'm happy for you guys. I'll live through you guys. Can I take another buy? It's up to you. I'd need to wait to see how this closes now. Was that a funded account? Yeah. Oh, it's not. That's 100k. This isn't my actual funded account. This is a challenge account. Nice, hustler. Nice. You should send the broker to fix. Yeah. I wonder, hey, I wonder if they're like... Yeah, I wonder if they're like, oh, you know what? We feel bad. Here's 10 million other challenges. Look at this push over here, you guys. I think I might have been a bit safe there if I held those partials. Anyone holding? Benna says in the chat. Yeah, I'm curious as well. Let me live through you. Zeke, flame emoji. Oh, Zeke back at it. I take 45%. Nice. Yep, there's a couple of people here still holding. Nice. A couple other people will break even. Cool. Yeah, well, I don't know about take profits, but the reason why I was so keen on this trade is because to the left is so clean range, you guys. Oh my god. I just missed the trade of prosperity over here. Oh, it happens, I guess. Sheesh. Lucky there's another day tomorrow. Lucky there's another day tomorrow. But yeah, I gotta be brutally honest. This might be it for me today. I'll still hang out for a little bit with like just see what candles print. But yeah, that was my trade for the day. It created support with the red candle closed above the zone. We might have re-entry. Yeah, but look how far away the zone is now. Where are you gonna put your stop loss? That's the only issue there. Sorry you missed the trade. It's okay, I'm fine. It does suck. Bro's gonna cry after the stream ends. Yeah. I actually won't, but it will be like, oh, that kind of sucked. No FOMO, Daniel. New trades coming for you. Yeah, tomorrow's a new day. I'll just shut the computer down. Just call it a day. But let's measure this pip range so far. Oh my god, it's 40 pips, you guys. Lord. Bro missed the bag and Bro missed the bag and now he's got work in the morning. Wow, that's savage. Rage quitting, yeah, gonna have to. Definitely rage quitting. Is there a reason you don't trade other sessions? Yes, one, mental fatigue. I want to come into the London session for a couple of hours focused. And two, just time. The time of the day. It works well for my life. Yeah, you guys, this is gonna go. It's got such clean range to the left. Like, yeah. Just flipped 20 to 100. Oh, amazing, Jojo. Good stuff. Excellent. We missed a big trade. I'm supposed to be in this trade, but I blame my prop account. I blame my broker. Did you put a buy in? I did, but my broker didn't trigger it. Unfortunately. How many opportunities do these time opportunities price break out? Every day, brother. Every day. Yep. Nearly every single day I find a setup exactly like this. Doesn't mean it's always going to win. Sometimes it could go up, come back, dick around. But nearly every day, rocks up. Yep. Blue pill candle, yeah. It's exactly what I said. When a break out of this zone above, what happened? It broke out. I said I need a wick down. I put a buy stop right there. Unfortunately for me, my broker didn't trigger it in. And there you go. Look at that. Look at that. It fills the whole screen. Cool. I'm so happy that I missed that. Yay. What's the strategy called? I don't even know. It's just based on price action alone, brother. Price action alone. I don't know about TP. I'd probably take full position right now, to be honest, personally. But like, there's clean range to the left. I'd fucking potentially hold. Like, this could fly, to be honest, you guys. This is a 15-minute time frame, and look how clean that range is. Like, my next zone would be here at take profit would be this kind of area here, which is like, you know, 2663.3. You're a gentleman. So happy. Bro doesn't take trades. Bro took a trade, but bro's broker didn't execute the trade for him. So all these kids in the chat that say bro doesn't trade can watch bro's stream and we'll see that bro tries to trade, but bro's broker doesn't let bro trade. Your strategy's name is Blue Pill Daniel. Oh, time to change broker. Yeah, that was that one. This one, unfortunate. The only way I feel a bit better about this is because I made it pretty clear I was about to enter, and I know a lot of you guys caught it as well. So I'm like, all right, sweet. Bro is not a chill guy. Bro is very chill, but bro is just being a silly goose. I'm new here, Michael. Good to have you here, brother. All you can do is laugh at this point. Exactly. It's all good. So unlucky, man. The one time I hit. And it's, of course, it's like the one time like, look at this flying, you guys. I would be in a casual as freaking 55 pip profit. Don't worry, real seller's coming. No, that's all right. I'll just come back the next day. Like someone said before, how often did this happen? I said every day. So tomorrow, this is just going to happen again. Like, it's all good. I'll catch a trade tomorrow. Nice, Richard. Good stuff. Amazing. Do you have XNS broken? No. How many pips do you trade? Well, I was going to take partials. I was going to take 85% at like, it would have been around 20 pips. And then let the rest run, and the rest would be running up here. I'd probably close the position now, to be honest. I don't need to get greedy. Doesn't mean that. Like, this could just fly, like who knows. But yeah, that's what I was thinking. You guys, drop a follow if you're not already, and if you're on YouTube, drop a subscribe, gang. Drop a subscribe for that dub over there. You guys caught a nice trade there. And yeah, if you're not in the Discord, join the Discord there, TikTok. It's in my bio, my TikTok bio over there. The Discord over here got some good traders in there. Because I'll call it a day, you guys. That's my trade. That was my trade. That's all good. It is what it is. What are you going to do? But I hope you guys caught that trade, or if not, just hang out and yeah, see what else can happen. See you tomorrow, bro. Yeah, sweet as you guys. Love yous all, and live will end in. We have detected inactivity on your live, bro. See what happens, you guys. I don't know if TikTok you can see that, but it says I'm active, bro. All right, love you guys. Love you too. See you later. See you later, guys. Thank you for coming. See you later, guys. YouTube, I don't know how to close you down. End stream, maybe, something like that. End. Cool.